I can do all things through Christ. It's Christ that strengthens me. Hallelujah, I can do all things through Christ. Christ that strengthens me. So now I'm standing on the promises of God. Yes, ask and it shall be given, and seek and ye shall find. Knock and the door will be open, 'cause God is always right on time. He says my strength is made perfect in weakness. My grace is sufficient for thee. So I am standing on the promises of God. Yes, I can do all things through Christ. Christ who strengthens me. I can do all things through Christ. Christ that strengthens me. I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me. For I am standing on the promises of my God.
Yes, yes. Hallelujah.